All right, so we finally made it to the number one risk associated with these cash building life insurance policies going sideways, and I feel like I need a little bit of a drum roll. Number one, the most important risk that you should be taking into consideration is follow-through risk. Now, if you're watching this video first, you should stop. This is a super important video, and yet we've done 5 other videos that go through the other 5 risks associated with cash value life insurance policies, and they're all very short, to the point. You should definitely watch those because there's some really good information in there. So we've been working with cash building life insurance policies for a long time, and we have a lot of happy clients, and we've fixed a ton of broken policies. And unfortunately, throughout doing this as long as we have and serving as many people as we have, I think right now we're on pace to do something like 750 policy reviews in this calendar year, which is an insane amount of policy reviews. But unfortunately, in that process, we do see from time to time very broken, very gone wrong type policies. Now, the reason that follow-through risk is the number one risk associated with these types of cash building life insurance policies is because 99 times out of 100, when we get a policy that's just truly broken, almost every single time, the reason it has underperformed is because the client, maybe you, did not do what you set out to do. And that might mean a few things. Number one, it could mean you didn't follow through with paying the premium you said you were going to pay. Number two, it could mean that you didn't pay the premium for the set amount of years that you said you were going to pay the premium. Number three, you could have gotten into this cash building life insurance policy with something like a 15 to 25 year time horizon, and you didn't make it that long. You needed to tap into that policy in year 10, 11, or 12. Well, that policy is going to underperform its expectations if we have to tap into it early. An underbaked cake is not all that appetizing, and an underbaked life insurance policy is not going to taste the way that it should. So let me let you in on a little secret. The insurance companies themselves know that a vast majority of the clients who purchase these policies will not follow through. And guess what that means? It means there's a huge opportunity for those of you who will follow through. Because when people don't follow through, what do they end up doing? They end up canceling policies. And if you cancel policies early, you pay surrender charges. And if you pay surrender charges, that goes straight to the company and their profitability. And in many cases, those surrender charges support the clients who keep their policy and help them maintain their caps, maintain their rates, generate the income that they want to generate. And so if you're getting into one of these cash building life insurance policies, the way that you beat the game is by sticking around and doing what you said you were going to do. A lot of people think that these types of policies are too good to be true. And the reality is this: if every single client who purchased one of these policies followed through with what they said they were going to do and used the policy the way they said they were going to use it, kept it until they died, and the death benefit paid to their beneficiaries, guess what? The company could not support these types of benefits, and it would be too good to be true. So the way to win the game is to be that person who doesn't bite off more than they can chew, and they follow through with their plans. And if you can do that, cash value life insurance can be an amazing asset that you're very glad you kept around. So those are the 6 risks associated with cash value life insurance policies. If you haven't seen the other 5 risks, you should go back and you should watch those videos. And if this is something that you'd like to explore for yourself, I'd encourage you to book a short discovery call with us where we go through your goals, your hopes, your dreams. What are you hoping that this policy might do for you? And we can figure out together if this is something that's going to be a fit for you or if it's not. And no matter what, I promise you, my guarantee is this: we will part friends. Until next time, take care.